Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products onto your PageFly. Now to start off, you will need a PageFly account. To start off, you're going to go into your pages, you're going to go into your product pages, and you're going to create from a template. Pick a template that you wish. Let's say, I really like this Wolfgang. Select template. First of all, let the template fully load. From here, you're going to go into page settings, product page, name it watch, I don't know, anything you want, watch sale. And from here, you got to make sure to edit the products. Now, for example, if you want to add products, I will press all products, which means all of the products that you have from your store will go into your PageFly. You're going to save. Now, of course, because I don't have any products due to no store, it's going to add basically 0 products. But if you have an already existing store, this is going to add every single product that you want into your page, into your PageFly. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.